he's gonna fly to you. Go get him, Buster. Yeah. Look.
Want to go outside?
Let me see. Can you show any of your like scars?
They're healed up because.
Oh, there's one there.
Yeah.
Those are like the scars from Buster when his nails get too long.
Where he punctures you.
Yeah. So these, what are those technically for?
They're for like sheet metal.
Quit bullying the dog.
People that work on sheet metal and stuff like that.
Also good for people like Ashley. The birds break her out a little bit.
I could say gardening.
Yeah.
If you got thorns and
well,
stuff.
they mentioned gardening, but.
You ready?
Yeah, that helps a lot.
Yeah.
Don't fly away. He'll hear those kids.
Yeah.
He gets excited.
Yeah, but it's
Hi, you gonna be outside? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice in between nail trims to
think
have
you're
those.
a falcon to have this sleeve on.
I think he thinks he's a dog.
Get up there. You don't want to step off? Here.
Not when you're home on a Thursday.
Get up there.
Get up there, Bus.
He's like, no.
Buster.
Here. You can't even bite through him, can you? I think he likes them.
I know. Well, they're probably soft. That's I want to work with Earl with them. Yeah, it probably won't work. You're right.
Step up.
Look, you got treats. You like the way those feel?
Step up. You must.
Have fun, Buster. Playing toss. Toss across. That's a good boy, Bobo. You're a good boy. You know to stay away from the crazy white dinosaur, don't you? He's such a good boy. Just a tossing. Did you eat, Earl? Hi, Earl. Did you eat? You gonna wave to everybody? Say hello. Woo! Hello. Say hello. You want scritchy? Do you want a scritch? Do you? Good boy. Hi, Buster. Buster's playing a lot today.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Butter. Here. Here. Step up. Earl. Come here. Step up. Come on. Hey, you want to step up? Twirly bird. Don't bite him. Step up here. Come on. Look, it's soft. Here, you want a scritchy? Good boy. Good boy. Here, come here. Step up. Step up here on my arm. Step up on... Get up on my arm, please. Come on. Buster, no. Buster's mad because I have this on. You want to think about it? Look, Buster, for your sink.
Does it go this way?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Look, Buster, that's for your sink. You like your bath mat? It's okay if it's a sink mat. You gonna do the dishes? Do your dishes. Yeah, do your dishes. Get on your mat. You gonna get some water? Earl, why are you hiding? Earl. Ooh, she's pretty, isn't she? You love her? You wanna go on a date? You like your bath mat? It's okay if it's a sink mat. You gonna do the dishes? Do your dishes. Yeah, do your dishes. Get on your mat. You gonna get some water? Are you being sweet? Are you being sweet? What are you out here talking about? Huh? What are you complaining about? I can hear you in the house. Now you're not going to be talking. Now you're going to be silent. Now you're going to be silent, huh? Give me the silent treatment. Come over here and talk to me. Every time I go in the house, you start talking. Who are you talking to? You like the rain? Not gonna talk to me? You wanna hold my hand? Will you hold my hand? Will you hold my finger with your foot? No. You ready to go night-night? Come here and give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? You hear Buster outside? He'll be joining you soon. Hey, give me a kiss night-night. Give me a kiss. Okay. Oh, you thirsty? Guess what time it is? Percy time. Percy, I want to play with you. You gonna sing? He doesn't want to step up for me, but he doesn't want to be out of his cage. Are you having fun, Percy? Look, Buster. You want some cologne? Somebody sent you cologne.
What? You going
Oh,
to
look. Show him the pretty...
Ooh, look.
Ooh. Oh, you scared of that? Look at that. Crown jewels.
Is that fancy?
Is that fancy?
It really is.
It is. Look.
It's like real metal.
Uh-huh. Here, you would rather have the box? Oh, so you can bonk that on the head? Huh? Somebody sent you fancy cologne, and you would just take the box. Because you're not allowed to wear cologne. Right, Buster?
Here.
Look at that pretty bottle.
You like it?
Say thank you for the box.